Communication is how we connect. It's how we share our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Good communication is essential for strong relationships. It helps us succeed at work and in our personal lives. When we communicate effectively, we build understanding. We create trust and cooperation. Imagine a world without communication. It would be a lonely and confusing place. We would struggle to learn, to grow, and to form meaningful bonds. Communication is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Throughout history, effective communication has been vital. Leaders use it to inspire and motivate. Artists use it to evoke emotions and share their vision with the world. Every day, we use communication to navigate our world and connect with others. It's a skill worth mastering. Our brains are wired for communication. When we talk, specific areas of the brain are activated. These areas help us process language, understand meaning, and respond appropriately. The way we communicate can even physically change our brains and the brains of those we communicate with. For example, when we listen attentively, our brain releases hormones like oxytocin, often called the cuddle hormone. Oxytocin promotes feelings of trust and connection. On the other hand, negative communication can trigger stress hormones, hindering effective dialogue. Understanding the science behind communication helps us appreciate its complexity. It also provides insights into how we can improve our communication skills by being mindful of our brain's responses. Communication is more than just words. Emotions play a crucial role. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and those of others, is essential for effective communication. When we're aware of our emotions, we can communicate more clearly. We can express ourselves assertively without being aggressive. We can also better understand and respond to the emotions of others, building empathy and rapport. Developing emotional intelligence is a journey. It involves learning to identify and label our emotions, understanding their impact, and regulating them effectively. Technology has revolutionized communication. We can connect with people across the globe instantly. However, it's essential to use technology mindfully. While it offers convenience, it also presents challenges. For example, digital communication often lacks nonverbal cues like facial expressions and tone of voice. This can lead to misunderstandings. Additionally, the constant connectivity can be overwhelming, making it difficult to focus on face-to-face interactions. The key is to find a balance. Use technology to enhance communication, but don't let it replace the value of in-person connections. Section 5. Building bridges. Communication as connection. At its core, communication is about building bridges. It's about understanding and respecting different perspectives. When we communicate effectively, we create a space for dialogue, collaboration, and growth. Every conversation is an opportunity to learn from others. By approaching communication as a way to connect, we foster empathy, build stronger relationships, and create a more harmonious world. Section 6. Mastering the art of conversation. Effective conversation is a skill that can be learned and improved. Start by being present and giving your full attention to the person you're speaking with. Listen actively, asking clarifying questions to ensure understanding. Practice empathy by trying to see things from the other person's perspective. Use I statements to express your thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully. Remember, clear and honest communication is key to building trust. Section 7. Nonverbal cues. Speaking volumes silently. Our bodies speak volumes even when our mouths are closed. Pay attention to your nonverbal communication, including your facial expressions, posture, and tone of voice. Maintain eye contact to show engagement, and be mindful of your tone. A warm and approachable demeanor can make a significant difference in how your message is received. Section 8. Public speaking. Engaging your audience. Public speaking is a valuable skill, even if it's just sharing your ideas with a small group. Start by knowing your audience and tailoring your message accordingly. Structure your thoughts logically and use clear and concise language. Practice beforehand to build confidence. Engage your audience with your voice, your body language, and your passion for the topic. Most importantly, be yourself and let your authentic voice shine through. Section 9. The journey of a lifetime. Mastering communication is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. As you continue to learn and grow, you'll find that effective communication opens doors to new opportunities and deeper connections. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards of connecting with others in meaningful ways.